Okay, today we are going to take a look on how to install L119A2 handguard or C8 handguard. So here we have our standard M4 upper. I already installed the barrel nut, save some time, and secure it by M3 screw. Next, this is the shorter version of the handguard, and also we have here a gas block. In this case, this barrel's not ideal for this handguard. Anyway, I will show you how to install the gas block on it. So we will take down the muzzle flash and going to look again on the gas block, because the gas block have two sides. You can recognize it by this pinhole, and it's supposed to go in the gun by the short side first. So the hole in the handguard would match the pinholes in the gas block. This hole is for gas tube. If you have one, you can print it, and this side will have a thread for M4 screw. After you insert it on the gun, you secure it by those two pinholes, and I recommend it to you, but it's optional using those screw holes for M3 set screws. Normally the handguard would have small block here. I made it optional, so after you install the handguard, you can add the small block here and screw it using screws. So we insert the handguard on the gun and secure it by this 3mm pin. Then we will proceed to add a M5 set screw. However, in this case I don't have the set screw, so I will use the classic M5 screw here. And I will tie it down, so we will get rid of any potential rotation, like you can already see. So here we go. Normally then I will install gas block. However, this barrel is not ideal, as I already said, because you can see the cutouts from the pins. We'll hold it like this. So I will install muzzle device back on the gun. And send the barrel with the top chamber. And here we go. This is our L119A2 short handguard installed on your Airsoft M4.